Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove an app icon from your dock. So as you can see, I have all these app icons on my dock, and if I want to remove any of these icons, then what I need to do is I need to right click on the icon which I want to remove from the app. So I'm going to right click on my mouse. Also, what you can do if you are not using the mouse, you can just double tap on your trackpad. It's going to open this kind of menu, or press Control key and then click once on your trackpad, and it's also going to open this kind of menu. And then in the options, click on remove from dock, and it's going to remove that app icon from the dock. Now adding the app icon is also easy. When you open any app on your MacBook, it by defaults add this to the dock. But to make it permanent, you can right click once again and then click on options. And then you just click on keep in dock. So from the next time when you exit from the app icon will remain there. Now this is one way of removing or adding apps from the dock on your Mac operating system. Let me show you one extra tip which will help you to organize your dock icons in a better way. For that, click on the Apple logo here and then click on System Settings. You can also open the System Settings by clicking on System Settings icon. And then here on the left hand side, you have this option which says Desktop and Dock. So click on this icon, and then here on the right hand side you will see several options, several toggle buttons in front of these options. What I generally do when I don't want to see too many app icons here, I just disable the last option which says show recent applications in dock. So when I disable it, it's not going to show the recent applications section in the dock. That means whatever applications I have opened and closed recently, they are not going to be present here. If you want to enable that option, just toggle this toggle button and then you will see this recent application section in the dock. So this is one extra tip to organize your dock in a better way. So this is how you can remove the app icons from your dock on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.